2015 brought the Valley Fire to Middletown, California. It burned 1,300 homes, including Janice Irvin's.
Well, my primary living situation since the fire's been in a 33-foot RV, and it was loaned to me originally by some friends of mine, and I told them it might be 2 years, and they were like, oh, no problem. So when 3 years went by, they did say they would like to sell it, and so at that point I bought it, and that was a year ago.
How do you feel about the volunteers?
All of these people that have come here have been so nice and so kind and so soft-spoken. I've not heard one argument. I've not heard one voice raised, unless they were trying to get somebody's attention that was, far away. And so it's just been really enlightening for me.
Janice was one of thousands. Since 2015, in Northern California, nearly 25,000 homes have been lost to wildfires. HCRN came for one fire and stayed for 15. Our mission is rebuilding homes and restoring lives. Lives like Janice Irvin's.
I can't quit saying thank you, because there's so many thanks to be shared, and that's been one of the huge gifts of this whole fire and everything. I mean, as traumatic and frightening and debilitating and loss that the fire has been, I never imagined that I would have a house like this.
Everything we do is about relationships, and there are others like Janice who need your help. You can pray, you can go, you can give. HCRN, rebuilding homes, restoring lives.